Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. Here on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here, you will search about Dropbox and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.